I'm Matt Bishar with NAREIT.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2015. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Joe Coradino, CEO of PREIT. Joe, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to this.
Now, can you start by talking about the acquisition environment in the mall space? Your company recently completed its deal for Springfield Town Center in April. What are your expectations for the rest of the year?
Well, it's very difficult to acquire properties, and we're pretty excited about having acquired Springfield Town Center. But you know, it's a tale of two cities. On the other hand, you know, there's a number of I would call it lower productivity malls on the market today, which are difficult to sell. And I think our focus for the balance of the year really is going to be about selling off the lower productivity malls.
And what trends or changes are you seeing regarding the tenants in your portfolio?
Clearly, given the fact that supply has been so constrained over the past few years, and probably will continue to be for the foreseeable future in the mall space, I mean, we're seeing significant expansion. It's noteworthy that in Las Vegas we had 69 meetings with prospective tenants who are not currently in our portfolio. And so, you know, while you can talk a lot about the number of meetings, that was real quality in terms of tenant expansion, and we're very focused on bringing as many as we can of those to our portfolio. So I think from a tenant perspective, it's thumbs up right now.
And lastly, can you talk about the company's PREIT and MEET program and what that impact will have on the company?
You know, we've always seen that in many instances, franchise-based companies are interested in assets but haven't identified a franchisee, excuse me. And so from our perspective, it really provides another way for franchisors to identify franchisees and to bring people together with the goal being really to populate our properties with more productive tenants. And so we're hopeful, we're optimistic. We think it's innovative. I think it's clearly an innovative approach, but one that we think certainly has been well received by the retailers. One we think will have you know, real benefit to us and to the franchisors.
Joe, thank you so much for joining us.
And thank you so much for having me here. I look forward to this each year.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.